What's going on, everyone? EJustB here, and I've recently exchanged my midnight iPhone 13 for the proper blue one just because I think it looks a lot better. So I figured why not take the chance to show you guys what's in the box. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the blue iPhone 13 and showing you everything that you can expect when unboxing it. Now, before I get into the video, I'm going to kindly ask you guys at home to hit the subscribe button if you find my content useful. I do a lot of tech topics, specifically on Apple. So if you're into that, you're going to like it here. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. So here is the iPhone 13. Got this in the blue color. This is going to be the 128 gig version one. Similar expectations with the packaging as we've had with the other iPhone 13s and with the previous generations of iPhones. Basically a white box with the iPhone in the middle. But there's a big difference on this one this time around, and I'm sure you've probably seen this already in the other unboxing videos. But the iPhone 13 does not have plastic on it. Apple is saving the earth by not using plastic. The best way to unbox this would be to pull the tab. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Both tabs, one at the top and one at the bottom. Let's go ahead and open this up. And there you go, blue. Funny enough, the midnight color of the iPhone 13, it doesn't look the exact same as what it does on the box, but in this actual blue version, you're gonna notice that it's pretty much identical to the box. Let's go ahead and take it out. Then you have this paper wrap on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And there you go. You know what? I really like the edges around here, and I'm going to talk about that in a bit, but I just want to point out this blue color on the edges looks pretty damn good. In the box, of course, you get the manuals, the classic designed by Apple in California. You also get the SIM injector tool and manuals. And of course, you get the Apple sticker, which is classic, and you can expect this in pretty much all Apple products. The last thing in the box would be the USB-C to Lightning cable that Apple provides. I never end up using this, so I linked down below a better option that is longer and more durable. But yeah, this is the last thing that you get in the box. So first impressions with the blue model, I really like the way this blue model looks, because when I saw the iPhone 13 launch, never once did I actually think that I was going to end up with the blue version. I ended up exchanging the midnight version because it was a little bit of a blue tint and it got a lot of fingerprints. But this one, you can't really see the fingerprints. It doesn't show up as crazy as it does on the midnight color. So I ended up doing a switch. And you know what? I don't regret it. I really like this blue. Of course, the camera setup is diagonal instead of aligned. And these are the cameras. These are the camera lenses from the Pro Max. So it is a significant upgrade if you ask me in terms of the camera quality. Flipping around the sides, you're going to see that it has the volume up and down buttons and the silent button here. One thing to note is that your old cases from your iPhone 12 will not work with this because the volume buttons at the side and the mute switch have been shifted down a bit, and so has the SIM card at the bottom here. So you're definitely not going to be able to use your old accessories in terms of cases. At the side of it, I really like this blue. I can't get over it. I'm actually shocked at how much I liked it until I opened it. So as you can see, this has the smaller notch. This is 20% smaller on the iPhone 13 than on the iPhone 12. So it's smaller, not really that noticeable, but I should point it out. One last thing that I want to point out about the new iPhone 13 is that you can see the blue color around the sides, and I really think that that looks pretty damn good. I am loving this aesthetic. So that's pretty much the unboxing experience of the blue iPhone. Let me know what you guys think of the color. I definitely think it looks a lot better than that midnight version. Definitely a lot less fingerprints I'm noticing so far on this blue color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.